Your Royal Highnesses, it is indeed a privilege for RFF to have the great honor of Your Royal Highnesses hosting this evening's charity dinner. As we know, this evening's charity gala is in aid of SASET, Yayasan Sri Kesana Kalsum, Dewanis Pahang and Lembaga Kebajikan Perempuan Islam Malaysia, Perhubungan Negeri Pahang. And ladies and gentlemen, His Royal Highness the Sultan of Pahang is the ruler who acknowledges all the talented and the artists in Malaysia.
Menghadap Paduka Kekanda Kebawah Duli Yang Maha Mulia Sultan Pahang Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah Al-Mustain Billah Ibni Almarhum Sultan Abu Bakar Riyatuddin Al-Muazzam Shah. Paduka Adinda Duli Yang Maha Mulia Tuanku Tunku Fauzia binti Almarhum Tunku Abdul Rashid. Ampun Tuanku, beribu-ribu ampun. Sambha Paduka Adinda, mohon diampun. Paduka Adinda merafat, sambha memohon, ampuni limpah perkenan Paduka Kekanda bagi menyembahkan setinggi-tinggi junjung kasih di atas limpah perkenan Paduka Kekanda berangkat bercemar duli bagi menyempurnakan perrasmian Islamic Fashion Festival 2014. Paduka Adinda mohon limpah perkenan bagi Paduka Adinda menggalu alukan sidang hadirin. Ampun Tuanku. Yang amat berbahagia Tuan Ragat Kurdi Taib. Yang amat berhormat Menteri Besar Pahang Datuk Sri Diraja Haji Adnan bin Haji Yaakob dan yang amat berbahagia Datin Sri Diraja Datuk Sri Haja Junaini binti Kasim. Yang amat mulia Paduka-Paduka Ananda, yang amat mulia kerabat-kerabat bergelar Dif-Dif Jumpatan. Pertama sekali izinkan saya untuk memperkenalkan beberapa NGO yang mendapat manfaat secara langsung daripada semua usaha kami pada hari ini dan sumbangan pada hadirin sekalian. Saya ingin memulakan dengan Lembaga Kebajikan Perempuan Islam Malaysia atau singkatannya LKPIM, sebuah NGO yang berobjektifkan kebajikan dan keagamaan. LKPIM is headquartered in Jalan Pantai Baru, Kuala Lumpur, with branches in every state. LKPIM Pahang is very fortunate to have our own building in Kuantan, which was given by Kebawah Duli Yang Maha Mulia Sultan Pahang, Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah, who is also the patron of Lembaga Kebajikan Perempuan Islam Malaysia Pahang. LKPIM Pahang bergerak aktif dalam menjalankan aktivitinya. Antaranya membantu mangsa-mangsa bencana alam seperti banjir dan kebakaran, program motivasi untuk pelajar, sumbangan kepada orang asli serta ceramah keagamaan dan kesihatan. Aktiviti ini dijalankan sepanjang tahun secara bergilir-gilir di daerah-daerah dalam negeri Pahang. The next NGO was incorporated in March 2000 as a service center and shelter home for all persons who have been physically, sexually, and mentally abused and battered. It is the Yayasan Sri Kanchana Kalsum, known as YSKK. YSKK mempunyai hubungan yang rapat dan kerjasama yang erat daripada Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat, pihak polis dan semua hospital di daerah-daerah negeri Pahang bagi semua kes yang dirujukkan. YSKK juga menerima kes-kes dari negeri-negeri lain. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank His Royal Highness the Sultan of Pahang for allocating a double-story detached building to YSKK to be used as its center and a vehicle for work-related transportation. Honorable guests, the following NGO is one that I also hold dear to my heart, as the role it plays is most crucial in the development and care of unfortunate children, the Kiwanis Club. The Kiwanis Club of Kuantan was set up in 2000 as a community daycare center to assist in educating children affected by Down syndrome, autism, and Asperger's. This center also helps to prepare these children to adjust when they enter the national school curriculum, as we believe that no child should be cast aside. Distinguished guests, as some of you may already know, the Sultan Ahmad Shah Environment Trust, also known as SASET, was established based on the spirit and care of young Amat Mulia Tunku Arif Temanggung Pahang, Tunku Fahad Muazzam Shah, the youngest son of the Sultan of Pahang, towards the conservation of the environment, which is fully supported by his beloved father, Kabawa Duli Yang Mahamulya Sultan Pahang, as patron. Kabawa Duli Yang Mahamulya Tuanku Sultan also bestowed the initial funds for SASET to kickstart its activities. Aktiviti utama yang melibatkan SASET adalah penanaman semula pokok hutan melalui program-program seperti Go Green with SASET dan SASET One Youth. Program Satu Rakyat, Satu Pokok kini sedang diusahakan bagi mencapai angka 1.5 juta pokok hutan yang ditanam semula di negeri Pahang. And finally, the last but certainly not the least, I would like to introduce the Malaysia Crime Prevention Foundation Pahang, MCPF, of which my son, Tunku Arif Temanggung, is also the deputy chairman. The objective of MCPF is mainly to promote public awareness in crime prevention. In conjunction with His Royal Highness the Sultan of Pahang's 40th Jubilee celebration, 50% of the funds collected from the sale of SAS car registration numbers, which were allocated by the Road Transport Department, will go towards the building of MCPF headquarters in Pahang. MCPF to date has spent approximately 300,000 for various charitable activities and school programs in Pahang. We would also like to thank Tan Sri Vincent Tan for his generous contributions always towards innumerable charities registered in the state of Pahang. and Tan Sri Lim Kok Wing for his continuous support to the state of Pahang. As the chairman and patron for all NGOs mentioned, and some I didn't, by the way, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of our sponsors, as without their kind assistance and generosity, it would have been near impossible for the NGOs to carry out their good work. I would also like to thank the Pahang State Government, as well as all the volunteers and individuals involved for the time and effort invested in realizing these activities. And finally, a big thank you must be accorded to the team participants and everyone who has worked tirelessly and most efficiently in making this Islamic Fashion Festival 2014 a success. Thank you. Wa billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.